Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make macaroni salad dressing. First, combine your main ingredients in a medium bowl. You'll need about 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Whisk these together until smooth. This creates the creamy, tangy foundation for your delicious salad. Now, let's elevate the flavor. Season your dressing with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. For an extra layer of taste, stir in about 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. A small dash of paprika, perhaps 1/8 of a teaspoon, can also add a lovely color and a hint of warmth. Taste and adjust as needed. Want to make it your own? Consider some optional add-ins. Finely chopped celery, about 1 tablespoon, adds a nice crunch. For a fresh, herbaceous note, a teaspoon of fresh dill works wonderfully. If you like a subtle onion flavor without the bite, try adding 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. These additions truly personalize your dressing. Once your dressing is perfect, it's time to combine it with your macaroni. Ensure your cooked macaroni is completely cooled before adding the dressing. Pour the dressing over the pasta and gently fold it in until every piece is coated. For the best flavor, cover and refrigerate your macaroni salad for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.